Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Skrill account. So first you have to open your Google Chrome web browser, and in the search section you have to type Skrill and just enter it. And you could see from the search results we have to click the first one. And here we could see we just landed to the Skrill official homepage, and on the side we could see there's a register. But if you already have an account, you can simply click on this option and you can type your first name, your last name as well, and you have to also select your country and currency if it's incorrect, and your email is required as well, and you have to create your own password so that it will be secured. And after all, and we could see here on the small box icon right here that says get offers from carefully selected Skrill partners, will not share personal data but will send you marketing message on their behalf. So if you want to get offers from the Skrill partners, then you can simply click on this box icon, but it's on your preference. And after you fill the form over here, you can simply click on the register over here, and that is how you can sign up for your Skrill account. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.